Welcome back, everybody. St. Louis is notorious for its awful allergy seasons. But if you suffer from frequent sinus infections or that constant feeling that you always need to blow your nose, you may be dealing with something more serious. Surgery used to be your only option, but now there's a local center that offers instant and lasting relief without the surgery. Take a look.
Please just fix me.
That is the plea of a woman who suffers from serious sinus pain.
It started about 4 or 5 years ago.
Jessica Gunby was a frequent flyer, and every time she would land,
I would become incredibly ill. I would be sick for days. My ears would hurt, my face would hurt.
she assumed her frequent ear and sinus infections were coming from contagious airline passengers. But when she stopped traveling, the infections continued.
I was taking Sudafed, Advil cold and sinus spray, and then I would be put on antibiotics, but it would always come back with a vengeance. It affected time with my child. He would want to play, and I'd be, laying on the couch because it hurt so bad.
After traditional treatments failed her, Jessica searched online and found the St. Louis Sinus Center. Their newest office is conveniently located at the Village at Schneidhorst's, just off Highway 40, right across from Plaza Frontenac.
We hand-selected this location after looking for 3 years and built it out in a custom way to really meet patients' needs.
So when a patient walks through your doors, describe the typical case. What have they been battling with? What is it that they want fixed?
Yeah, so most of our patients come in complaining of allergies, sinus congestion, facial pressure, facial pain, headaches, drainage.
Patients here are experiencing tremendous results after a unique treatment called balloon sinus dilation.
And it's done in the office with a little bit of sedation. Usually takes 5 to 30 minutes to do it. Most of our patients are back to normal activity the next day.
The procedure involves what Dr. Gould describes as a magic wand.
And it has on the tip of it here a balloon that we can inflate. So that balloon goes in the sinus opening for about 5 to 7 seconds, and then we deflate it, and then we take it right back out like that. And so that unblocks the sinus opening and gets the sinus back to a natural state of ventilation and normal drainage.
You'll hear some noises. You'll hear maybe a popping or even almost like a cracking or crunching sound. It didn't concern me. It didn't scare me. It didn't hurt at all.
But the most important question, what about results?
Patients have good, durable, long-term results with this, just like surgery.
The next day, I was at the pumpkin patch with my 5-year-old, and I felt great. It's been 3 weeks. I'm sleeping better. I haven't had any pain with all of the crazy weather changes that we've had recently.
Would you recommend it to family
and
friends?
Yes, completely, 1,000,000%.
Here's what Dr. Gould didn't mention in that story. He has performed so many of these procedures that doctors from across the country now come to his office to learn more about it. The day we interviewed Dr. Gould, he had visitors from Florida. So needless to say, you're in good hands, and a lot of insurance plans cover this procedure too. For more information or to set up a consultation, call 314-4RELIEF. That's 314-473-5433. Or check out stlsinuscenter.com.